Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making Fruity Pebbles Pretzels. The ingredients that we're going to need today are sourdough pretzels, Fruity Pebbles cereal, and also a bag of vanilla flavor candy wafers. Okay guys, so I have my pretzels, my melting wafers, and also my Fruity Pebbles cereal. So all we're going to do is crush our cereal up. Next, we're going to place our melting wafers into our microwave, and we're going to melt them in 30-second intervals. Okay guys, our candy wafers are now melted. Okay guys, you want to have a baking sheet and a wire rack so you can sit your pretzels on top. Okay, now we're going to take one of our pretzels and we're just going to coat it. You want to shake off any excess of your melting wafers, and we're going to place it onto our wire rack. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to take our Fruity Pebbles. We're just going to sprinkle them over top of our pretzels. Once you're done, we're going to let them sit for a few minutes. Now you can place them in your refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Fruity Pebbles pretzels. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?